it's me, Lara. So we are now here at Mactan, Cebu. Dumating kami kaninang hapon. Tomorrow is my flight to United Kingdom. Pasensya na kayo, beshes, ang ingay sa labas. But we're actually here at the Centro Mactan Suites. Ito yung one-star hotel kung saan kami matutulog ngayong gabi. So, speaking of kami, yung kapatid ko na si Mindavi ang kasama ko. And then, here's our bed. Oo, share lang kami ng bed. Okay lang naman yan kasi nasanay na kami. And here's my brother. Hi! Say hi! He's working. Tapos, ito yung aking mga baggage. And then, tingnan natin dito sa labas, beshies. Sobrang ganda dito sa labas. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan. Oh, diba? Lakas makasosyal. There. Tapos gusto ko tong parang mini garden nila dito. And then meron ako ipapakita sa inyo, benchies. Ayan, it's a violin. Tapos may mga camera. O, diba? Sobrang cool. And then merong salamin dito. And a very slim woman. Para siyang Egyptian or South African yata. Ayan, oh, may mga books, tapos pwede ka rin umupo dito kung gusto mong magmuni-muni. And then more rooms. Andito kami sa second floor. And then there are also rooms here. Ayan, yan yung pinaka-last. Pero ito talaga yung gusto ko. Ayan, oh, beshies. Ang cute lang. Tapos, yan yung main entrance dyan. Yung door na yan. Ayan o. Yung door na yan. Yan yung main entrance. Tapos, meron silang hagdanan dito. Papunta sa baba. Yan, beshies. In fairness naman, gusto ko yung gusto ko yung design niya kasi mukha siyang luma, hindi siya yung talagang modern type na hotel. Yung niya, yung lock niya ay hindi pa yung card. Meron silang key dito. Ito yung key. Ayan, nasa room number 6 kami. So, gusto ko yung ganyan na design na yung parang makaluma. Pero, sobrang linis ng room. Tapos, yung nila, yung CR. Nandito yung CR, malinis din siya. So, that's the Centro Mactan Suites, beshies. Nandun sa baba yung reception. Pero, wala silang elevator dito. Wala rin escalator, obviously. Meron silang, stairway to heaven. So, doon kami dumaan kanina. Pero hindi naman kami nagka-problema kahit meron akong dalang mga suitcase kasi merong tumulong sa amin. Yung isa sa mga personnel dito. So, I'll speak to you tomorrow, beshies, during my flight to the UK. So, from Cebu, magle-layover muna ako sa Dubai. And then, yeah, 6 hours yung layover ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko sa 6 hours na yan. Kasi obviously, hindi ako makakatulog. Pero, meron naman akong dalang book. Ito, oh. So, I am currently reading this. It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. Kasi na-intriga ako. Sobrang daming magandang reviews tungkol sa book na to. Tapos meron ding nirelease na movie version nito. Pero gusto kong basahin muna yung book bago panoorin yung movie. So ito yung babasahin ko siguro habang nagle-layover sa Dubai. And then from Dubai ay flight ko to Scotland, to Glasgow, specifically. Nice day today. Makalami lagi na mong basa ikaw may butag makeup doy. Ako lagi may mumutang kay kuan. Iro lagi kay tsura. Hindi pa.
Or nag-take off pa.
Kailangan ko kay mura dyan na siya mo bagay sa kong skin tone. Hi again, Beshies! So I'm now here at the Mactan Cebu International Airport Terminal 2. Thank God, nakalagpas na ako sa immigration. The lady immigration officer was so nice and I think she was in her 40s. Yung mga hiningi niyang documents mula sa akin ay ang invitation letter at return ticket. And I think she was trying to find for an information from the invitation letter pero hindi niya nakita. She also asked for some questions or for some information. Halimbawa kung kailan yung last na nagpunta yung boyfriend ko dito sa Pilipinas, tapos sinagot ko naman. And she also asked kung nakapunta na ako doon sa UK. Tapos sabi ko, oo, last year. And then, nung hindi niya nakita, I think she was trying to look for an information from the invitation letter. Tapos nung hindi niya nakita, ako na mismo yung nag-offer ng affidavit of support and guarantee. Tapos tinignan niya sa system nila yung date of birth at passport number ng boyfriend ko. Tapos, oo, nakita naman nila. And then nung natataka na yung aking boarding pass at passport, klinaro ko talaga sa immigration officer na kung ang reason ng isang visitor na pumunta sa ibang bansa ay to meet someone like boyfriend or partner tapos hindi sila kasal, I ask kung ang main requirement ba nila ay kung nakapunta na yung foreigner dito sa Pilipinas at kung nakapag-meet na sila in person. Tapos sabi ng immigration officer na oo, yun daw ang main requirement nila kasi posible daw na may kaso yung foreigner sa sarili niyang bansa. So yun yung gusto nilang klaruhin or linawin. So far naman sa experience ko ngayon, I am so grateful to God na hindi naging sobrang hassle yung pag-interview sa akin. So ayan, oh. This airport is so lovely. Dami beshies, oh. Grabe. Colorful pa. So, ito yung mga jean. Tapos, yeah. This is Bacardi. Those are Bacardis. And then, red wines, syempre. And then, may nakita akong pinakamasarap na champagne so far na natikman ko, ang Veuve Clicquot. Ayan, pero tingnan nyo yung price, beshies. Grabe. Although it's Magnum, so sobrang laki ng bottle, pero meron ding Veuve Clicquot na rosé dito. Ayan. Grabe. Ang ganda naman. Tapos meron ding mga whiskey. Ito, sobrang sikat na whiskey ito sa Scotland. Tapos doon naman yung mga chocolate. Ay, grabe, ang dami. Daming chocolates. Ayan. And these are nuts. Coffee. Meron ding mga coffee dito. And then, this is one of my favorites in Scotland. Shortbread. Again, beshies. So I have arrived here in United Kingdom and I am heading to a shop called Aldi to get some things for the house. It's 11 degrees, but we're lucky that it's not raining and the skies are blue. Kaya nakasuot ako ngayon ng jacket at woolly hat. But anyway, it's been like 3 weeks since I arrived here, and I would honestly say that I had to recover from the jet lag. It took me a week to fully recover, and then after that we went on a trip to the Highlands, which I enjoyed very much and I would love to go back. Sorry, beshies, I had to keep pausing the video. Lalo na pag may mga sasakyang dumadaan. But yeah, one of the things that I missed about United Kingdom is the fresh air. Wala ka talagang pollution na maaamoy dito. Sobrang bango ng hangin. Tapos dito, yeah, sobrang lamig. Hindi ka pagpapawisan. Saka hindi mo rin kailangang maglaba araw-araw, beshes. Kasi yung damit mo, pwede mong i-recycle kahit ilang araw. At dahil hindi ka pagpapawisan, okay lang kahit hindi ka maligo ng 3 araw. Pero syempre, kailangan mo rin maging hygienic. So, maghugas ka rin sa ibang parte ng katawan mo. And yeah, I also missed the food here in Scotland. There are lots of lovely Scottish food. So anyway, beshies, I'm gonna cross the street in a few minutes. And yeah, this ends my video because this is just actually about my trip to, or my journey to Scotland. But yeah, I will definitely do more videos of my journey here in Scotland. And I'm so excited. I'll be here for 6 months. No, hindi na siya 6 months kasi 3 linggo na akong nandito. May dumaang lalaki. Hindi ko siya napansin. Sorry naman. Pero, yeah, I'm so excited. So, thank you for watching this video, beshies. At sana may natutunan kayo, especially sa information na shinare ko tungkol sa immigration sa Pilipinas. Take care! I'll see you next time!
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a